Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Facebook restricted monetization on your pages. So this is the reason or one of the reasons why Facebook has restricted monetization on your pages typically means your page has violated one or more Facebook's monetization policies. And that's the reason why you have received this notification. So to solve this, first you have to go to your page and then go to a Meta Business Suite. So you have to scroll down here and then tap Meta Business Suite. Once you tap this one, it will take you directly to this page, the Meta Business Suite page, and then go to monetization. Then tap confirm, or you can skip this part. Okay, so you will see here monetization, like the stream ads, branded content, and policy issues. So here you will see also common reasons for restricted monetization. It could be violation of community standards, ineligible content for monetization, copyright infringement, and so on. To fix this issue, you can remove or edit content that has been flagged for violating Facebook standards, clean up any posts or videos or any other content that could be problematic, including older content. So you have to ensure that you have follow community standards. For example, this one right here. So you need to delete this content. You have to remove this one and follow the community standards and monetization guidelines. After that, you can also go back and then if you have violated any community standards, you can ask for request a review. Okay, so all you have to do is to tap this one. If you believe that the restriction was applied in error, then you can appeal the decision. So be specific and provide supporting information that shows your page now adheres to Facebook policies. You can also tap help and then you can report a problem or give a feedback. Here you have to look for category and then tap add account. Let's just say add account settings. And then after that, you can now very specific with your concern right here and also attach a file or an image that shows you have received that kind of warning or notification. And then click send feedback and wait for the customer service team or Facebook team to respond and help you with this concern. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. If you want us to create another tutorial, please do comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.